Hello everyone and welcome to How to Advise Using Blackboard Ultra 101. So the first step is all of you should have got a list of advisees from Rebecca. She would have emailed you a list of advisees and would like all of you to send an email explaining to them what your process is in advising. Now, none of you have to follow the process I'm suggesting, and I'm just asking you to email them and establish a process. The second step, which I would ask all of you to do, is to forward your student this advising worksheet. So this is for the BBA students, this is for healthcare informatics, and this is for computer science. Please forward this and ask the students to use, if they go to their advising tool here, if they go to advising, and I'm just going to select a student by default, view details, and if they go to timeline, they have this list of classes they've taken for which they have grades, and you can see a lot of A's here, and ask them to fill up that sheet and send it back to you. That way you have students, you know exactly which student has finished how many classes, and it's very clear. I would strongly advise you to use the sheet rather than progress. There have been errors in that progress menu, so I would advise you to use the sheet. And once the students have the sheet, it's very easy then to keep a copy and get them to update it on a regular basis. This is also a good time to get students in the habit of updating this sheet on a regular basis, so they have an idea of what classes they need to take automatically. All right, so once this is done, we can go to Blackboard, and I'm going to look at Blackboard. We have the School of Business Professional Activities class, where all the students should be a member of. If your advisee doesn't see the School of Business Professional Activities, please ask them to email Rebecca and she will enroll them into that. So here's the School of Business Professional Activities. All the students, we have about, let's see, show all. Let me go back here again. There you go. So we have all the students, and all faculty are considered leaders here. Students are participants, so all your students should be here. So I've created this link called Blackboard Ultra. You can go here and you can either go to this session, but I would create a session for your students. So let's say my student is I don't know, Thomas Q's advising session, and I would create the session, and you can send him, he can call in to this number, or you can send this guest link. So if you wanted to send them a link, which you can do, you can just kind of click and create in an email, send them this link, and if they click on this link, they will join that class. You can also copy this, and this way they can dial in and use this pin. Okay, these are the events. You can set up an event here, allow entry in your Blackboard Ultra, and then here in session settings, you don't really need to record this, and then save this particular class. So once you save it, here's Thomas Q's. You can click on it, he'll come online, and here you go. You are now online with Thomas Q's. If you want to share your video, that's fine. If you don't want to share your video, that's okay, right? And so in here, we have the ability to essentially share your application screen. So if you click on this application screen, select screen or window, I'm going to go ahead and look at my screen one. And at this moment, because I'm sharing the screen, which is, I know you're seeing this, but let me move Blackboard out so you can see the browser. So you are going to see here the Advisee list, and let's look at this advisee, and I can kind of look at what courses she's planned, or you and her can discuss the courses, go to the course catalog, plan the courses, and work together on this and finish this advising session. And that's it. That's really what there is. I will create a separate video on how to use Team and how to use Zoom also as options if you want to do that. Hope this helps. Talk to you soon. Bye.